Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can connect your Google Sheets into Zoho CRM. In my last video, I explained how you can create a Google form and how you can embed that form on your website, and also how your form can be mapped out to Google Sheets. And now when you get those details in Google Sheets, when you get this lead information into Google Sheets, what you want to do is to connect your Google Sheet to your Zoho CRM so that your lead can be mapped directly and automatically into Zoho CRM. So let's get started. Okay, so this is my website, and I already created a Google form and I already embedded the form on my website. So what I want to do is I want to, and actually here is the form, and what is already synced into my Google Sheet. And what I want to do is I want to connect this Google Sheet into my Zoho CRM so that when there is a new lead coming in on that website, it is going to come in into Zoho CRM automatically. So what I want to do is I want to go into Zoho Flow. So what Zoho Flow does is that it connects one or more apps together. And what we want to connect is we want to connect Google Sheet and Zoho CRM. So let's create a new flow. Now we are going to create a new flow and we are going to name this flow um, Google Sheet, Google Sheet to Zoho CRM. Um, I want to click on create, and now I want to configure an app, and I want to look for Google Sheet. Yeah. So when I click on Google Sheet, then I can click on next, and I want to use this so that when a new role is added, then it creates a contact in Zoho CRM. So I click on next, and I want to create a new connection. And now all you have to do is you need to connect your Google account or your Google Sheet to Zoho Flow. So I click on authorize, then I want to pick this one. So that is done. Then now I want to pick my spreadsheet, and for this spreadsheet is get started and the responses. So I want to go back to Zoflow and I want to pick that Google Sheet, and here it is. So after picking that, what I want to do is I want to pick the worksheet. So the first worksheet where this form is coming in is form response one. So I want to go back to Zoho and I want to click on form response one. Yeah. So I click on done. So when the role is added, we want to add in a contact in Zoho CRM or a lead. So I'm going to type in Zoho CRM and I want to pick create and update lead. I drag it and I drop it in. So now the connection, I already connected my Zoho CRM account to this Zoho Flow account. If you have not, all you need to do is just to click on connect, then it is going to lead you back to Zoho CRM where you can authorize that connection. So what you want to do right now is you want to map out this field information in Zoho CRM with the Google Sheet information. So the company name, I think we have the company name. Yeah, we have the company name in the role. So you want to click on this company name so that the company name in the Google Sheet will be mapped out automatically to the one in um in Zoho CRM. Then the first name will be this one, and you want to map out the last name, and the last name will be this, and we don't need the full name. Yeah, you want to map out the email. Yeah, and the email will be the email address. You want to map out the phone. You want to map out the phone number. Okay, so we are mapping out the website URL with this. So after mapping in all the information on the Google Sheet, what you want to do, the ones you need, just the ones you need, what you want to do is you want to click on done, and that is it. So now anytime a role is added, and automatically a lead will be created or will be updated in Zoho CRM. So let's try that out. What I want to do is I want to authorize this workflow. I want to activate it, and I want to create a new lead in my form on my website. I want to fill in that form on my website, and let's see how that lead is going to be created. Okay, so I have filled it. I filled um, the form on my website, and all I need to do is I need to click on submit. Yeah, so my form has been submitted. I have now that I have created a new response. I now have two responses. Since the flow is already active and working in Zoho Flow, as you can see, it created the leads in Zoho CRM. So this is the first one I just created, Alice test, and the second one was Glory test 2. And as you can see, this is the first response and this is the second response. Now we have that in the CRM. So that is how to connect your Google Sheets to Zoho CRM. If you found this video useful, please like this video and also share this video. And also you can subscribe to my channel to get more of this video. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.